se a filweng sona ile sa hae tshwantse se phele se le moyeng. Listen to what they are saying. Check what they are doing. This is exactly how you are going to respond to me every day. Attention! Backs up! Hey man, fourth! Let's go have his Alena. Top ang di begeting. Hey, Jamo. Jam. Mothatha ba o keng son? Come on. Ke mothatha ba. Nna fase ka marao. Fred, ka marao. Ka pele. Fast. Sho mongwe tla le ke lisa le. Ko ba phone. Ba ireng. Di tlaretsang. Bafana. Ke di tlaretsang.
Chest pain because I can't say on and off my diagnosis handle medical report. My
Baring.
diagnose.
O botlhale bile ne. Diagnose. Le nna ke lo mo kana ke le le fukuleo. Wena wa diagnose wena. Ke go bontsha ke du clever wena. Ma diagnose. O a shidiwe la di bona he. Diagnosis ya shumo. Ba mo diagnose pila chest ha ira bjang ba fala e re go botse ne o tlo tlhalohanya gore mo a se acting school go Ntebel, let me show you that I'm not playing. I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Look at me. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to stop acting. Next. Unanungirang. Bairing. Ari go fa ditlhare ba fana. Ari. Tla go bontsha setlhare sa bana ba o tshwana le wena. Let me give you your medicine. Ari. Tshwantse re ba search batho ba. O ka se ba tshepi. Ke bana mara se bana. Ya tshwantse ba search because ba bang ba tla ka di weapon, ba bang ba tla ka di patch, dilo tse ba di tsubang di drugs, ba bang ba tla ka di weapon o nyana tse snacks, ke dilo tse baya tse o di kreang. Wa khona la lo ru search ngwana, o kre condom. So tshwantse o ba search. Okay, dana nna dithu. Alright. Face that direction. Your back's on the left. Your back's where? Yay. Give me what's mine. Okay, leave it. Ay, mara mix it, no? Mix it. Mboze ni the jaws with the patch.
It's an art.
Eh?
Yeah, it's an art.
Why this thing up? Chance di no ba ding. Wa bona le ya mbozo ro ba di patch. We khaotse mo mathomong wa tsubanyana wa ikepa. No tsuba kwa ya batho ba baholo. Chance di no ba ding mbotse nnete. Se tsumbuditse nnete la mathomo ya. Ke tsona tse. Di felletse. So o regiletse bedi wena fro. O itsubile neng e?
Ha o re regile mabaka.
O itsubile neng e?
Mabaka.
Una le mengwa e mekana?
16.
Se o thomile neng o tsuba?
January.
Wa tse ke ratang. Ke rata go mbuditse nnete mara e ho pore o mpotsa nnete ke gore ke tse pedi fela. Ke rata gore o bile honest wa imisa letsogo wa re di teng mara bjanong henga kry-a tse dingwe re gusta flopoida o ka re o mfana dengenyana bjana o nyaka ke tlale nyana wae ro ba le bothata nna le nna kona o nna gae ba o tliseditseng mo wa tsuba hapa kere yes chufi fela dia chance nga o provela wa yaka nga o provela o tsuba le dibaje wena arbeje wa di tsuba ka o bo tsuba dibaje wena okay no di tsuba o gcinne neng last eng o dia chance wena o nano re a ga re tshaya o a jala ka o mo lebele lo mbutso ra o tsubi mfana a re o gcinne bo ma e mon bolla nnete wa tsuba wena wa tsuba ko social tla go kae Wazuba.
Awuthi wena.
Ba ukhona wazuba ka ubutha. Emon bolela nnete wazuba. Sharp go test. Go test go bonse hore una le chemical ela e kana kana mo mmeleng wa hao. Go fa chance hape. Ashi. Ke na le test. Ene ba no setse o ibele mo matsong a ka hore nga krea hore o nona no re ka o shaya. My job is not to joke around. I'm not playing here. I'm working. Your parents are going through a lot because of your behavior, and I want you to find it in yourself. Hore o skolo to juda te potse nnete ne bra. Go thusa bjang o sa mpotse nnete. Hape wa nchaya, ene o nchaya ka kwata. Ne bana ngeke kwata o tlo tshwara bothata bo serious. Bare ke kwata ke bana teng and o ka sarate. So go butsala mafello me bra. Wa tsuba na. O gcinne ning ho tsuba. Wa bona go fa chance go butsala mafello a shi test. O gcinne ning ho tsuba jo. Wa bona. Bana ngwa itshwantse o njikise kwa pele. Ka re o bona test go nanya ka ngompotsa nnete. Wa o ira bjang. Ya bjang why o mpotsa re o gcinne ning wena. Why? Umpetha kazi wabo wangishaya ngegreen kanje mfethu. Yini ufuna ungishaya? Njani? Ngiyaphila njani? Ubani kama? Jabulo. How many years? Uyenza 20. Bakulethile nani? Ukuya ngawe nje, why did they bring you here?
Lack of discipline.
Why uthi une lack of discipline when ucabanga ukuthi babonini ukuthi batha una discipline?
Ngoba nami ngiyazi.
Uyazi? Uyenzani?
Look like ngiqala izinto ngeqeda.
Okay. Babang babona they are lazy. They've never done any physical activities in their lives, which is the root problem. Elongore igcina ibatlisa mo camping because motho ha khona o iketsetsa selo. Ha khona o ira di chores. Wa tswafa, there's no sports, ona di extra kore inoba abaholi ka mkhore na re hodileng ka teng. So we are taking them back to those days where we used to do dilo tse physical, just to show them that hey, re fitlile mo re leng because re nana go re hola nane re dlala nane re kra di challenge re di overcome nane re le mo di sportsing ne re participate in that and that. Yeah, we are doing well already. Sisi ya wina manje sengifuna ungitshele manje the negative side ukuthi yini oyenzayo ocabanga ukuthi
It was more of concern. You can ngilethela.
okay uletho ba
Umzali ungitshela ekseni.
umakho
Yeah.
kodwa nje awubhemi awuphuzi next mara ka wabuza chances are 95% una le mtho wa tshwenyang ga yona njawulo from where konje Durban.
Hello.
You need a kopela o nchekele file ya Jabulo bani Masonto
Yeah, Masondo.
Sondo as in D.
Yes.
Nchekele Jabulo Masondo ya MASONDO
Tarapela.
kapeli
Ya, icheka pele. Tarapela.
ya ngele ko probleming ya hae fela tlola tse ding tse
Asinyembe.
Yeah.
Nyembe manje uthi Masondo.
No, I do Masondo.
Okay ya kena Nyembe.
He's too lazy. He doesn't like pushing himself as a result. He has quit school this semester. His reasons was he's trying to find himself. Yet he is busy with nothing.
Raba hopotsa hape hore you are just a kid. Iba ngwana, gala, have fun. Iba le dithaka tsa hao for once. Tlola strata, tlola dilo tse tsa ho tsuba tsa eng. Here you are making new friends mo camping. Friends ba ileng hore di dithaka tsa hao and we are only allowing you to do dilo tse ileng hore di tsa ke dithaka tsa hao.
He's respectful though.
Dota madoda. Okay, so he's telling me the truth. Ke ntse ke search bana mo le ke busy ka bana. O searchiwa di bag ke sentsane ke crea my way around the kids. Ke ati familiarize or mang ke mang o ke dila byanga Clarks. Teben Deepash. 3 hours uzobukwazi ilalela 3 hours uzobukwazi ukukhuluma nomuntu omdala uzobona ukuthi angisingitanga yakho
Uma ndiyakhuluma na
after bheka after 3 hours 3 hours kore ka mongcondong a ka ke mmona same time ke hopola ho relax edibeng di akabuyi iphipeke yakho woza keep all right wozala beka le bag le wena kusamele understand ukuthi uphi awungibelele da take those shoes off hayi ziyakhala ke manje roll woza baba up phezulu baba move baba hayi ugcina uhamba kahle wawuthukuma makho wena sana wawuthukuma makho did I not tell you angitshela ukuthi ngizokuthola wena sana I don't have the whole day wena sana bothini uma wakho bothini
ngithe uvuma ngihambe sengisesomntanakhe
uyithatha le plug ekhuluma neolid lakho kanje wena sana ekini basaba wena ungaka basaba wena ekini ungaka le move like an 18-year-old ngigaya 5 seconds thatha ibag yakho gijima run to the line 5 hurry yeah 4 3